Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Alliance RV right here in Elkhart, Indiana. Now today we're going to take a look at this 2027 Alliance Valor 44V14. So let's get started. The length on this Valor is 45 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 15,895 with a hitch weight of 3,253. With a GVWR of 21,000 pounds. As you can see, we are inside their building. So a big thanks to Alliance for allowing us to be up here today. And yes, there is all kind of units inside the building. And I finally got to meet Miles. Miles, wave down there for us. Wave, there he is. So we finally got to meet Miles. So Miles, thank you so much, man. It's great to meet you.
Yeah, great to meet you as well.
And watch a lot of your videos. And wow, man, what do you think about all these units in here?
I'm really curious about this toy hauler here, which maybe you'll get to, because I think this floor plan here is really nice. Alliance in general, like the exterior that we see on the outside here, everything looks even more cleaned and polished up than it's been in years past, which they've always had a good looking exterior. Yes. But as soon as you walk in here, it's like, wow, everything looks really, really sharp and just a very clean aesthetic. But that's pretty much it so far, and just kind of running through these things as well, seeing what's new for 2027.
I know a lot of our subscribers probably keep up with you, and finally got to meet you. I did not realize you are from Texas.
I am from Texas, yeah, from Dallas, Texas.
Dallas, Texas.
Yep. Yep.
Well, man, again, so great to meet you, and we're going to take a look at this 44V14 right here, and we'll let you get after it.
Yeah. Yep.
Thank you, man.
Look forward to seeing your videos.
Thank you, man. All right, everybody, let's get started. As the V14 says, it is a 14-foot garage. So we'll just take a quick peek in here. So great to see Miles up here today. Finally got to meet him. And we'll take a look at this pass-through storage. Again, Alliance does the slide out and awning controls outside. You get a table. That is awesome. Let's go around here and take a look. This storage, there's where your generator will be. Again, really nice what Alliance has got set up here. Nice looking outside. There's your water heater. Hey, let's take a look at this. All right. Nice little storage. Now, let's go in and take a look real quick. I think you'll absolutely love this floor plan. We don't get to see a whole lot of Valors, so to get to see this one is really, really sharp. Here's your kitchen and your living room. Really sharp. And let's go ahead and take a look at your bedroom and bath. Whew. Tilt bed and your bathroom. Let's go ahead and get started in the toy hauler part. Like I said, the 14 is the length of your garage, as you can see. Really, really awesome. Pull down beds, you're right there. And you got this little patio. Really, really cool. Great to be inside today. Washer and dryer hookup, and your half bath is also back here. TV, and if I can get up here, there is your first AC unit. All right, let's go in here and take a look. I love these. You see more and more of the L-shaped couches now. Up top, you do have storage all the way across. And then if I have a seat, here is what you will be looking at. There's your fireplace and your TV. Looks to be like a 65. Wow, this is really sharp. I like this. Let's open up some of this cabinets up top. see what we got here. All right. Sound system. And I like this little, use that for a cure aid right there, little nook area. Open up some cabinets here. Great looking cabinets. What do y'all think, guys? This is really sharp. I think this part of the couch, well, I thought it might, but I'm not real sure. Okay, you do have power and USB right back here. Solid surface countertops. Nice little kitchen area. These are some tall cabinets. If I can open them up and then take a look. Wow. All the way to the ceiling. And then over here, we'll take a look at here. Up above, and your huge microwave, 4-burner cooktop, and your oven down here, and under the sink we have a little storage, and right back here, that's that little spot outside, so you can put your garbage can under here and just throw everything away. And one last cabinet right here on the end. And in the slide, like I said, your table and chairs are over here. Here is your pantry area. Woo-wee! Wow, that's a nice light. And up above, your fridge, nice. And here we go. We're going to open up the fridge area and pull out freezer. Yeah, I hate it. Amanda did not get to come with me. Her vacation kind of ran out on her. There's controls into the bathroom, but that's all right. I do have a rider with me. My brother came with me. Not in this video, he took a break. But one-piece shower. I like these because you step, I can see this, you step down. So you step down in the shower. So when you do that, oh my goodness, I got all kind of headroom. Porcelain foot flush toilet. The cabinet space, now that's sharp. They did not waste any space in here. And solid surface in here. There's that under the sink. And like I said, you have the two doors here. So you have this door and you have another one. But we'll go into the bedroom. King size bed. We'll look at these drawers here at the foot of the bed. Okay. And all right, storage there. And if we look over here, we've got the cabinet here where you can put washer and dryer. If you do not need it, it'll just fit right. You can just leave it all like this. That's just really cool. Your closet area does have the mirrored doors. Have a space up here with a motion light. Really, really sharp. Got your light there. And you are Starlink prep. Nice closet. And your bed, you've got your power and USB on each side of these. And down below the bed, this is something we do like. We have great use of space, putting the drawers under the bed. There we go. All right. And you do have a 32-inch TV in here. All right, everybody. And, well, forgot there's another AC right there. So I think that's 3 on here. Wow. 3 AC units. All right, everybody. What do you think about this one? Wow, Alliance does a tremendous job on their Valors. And like always, we want to thank Alliance for allowing us to be here. And if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.